Hello, I'm your teacher Randy League, and welcome to a Goodwin English short English lesson. Now we are going to take a look at the phrase, "Let me introduce myself." The grammar of this is correct, but many students use this in the wrong way. Many students will use this when they meet someone for the first time. But really, we don't use this in everyday conversations. This phrase is a little special. Most often, you would say this before giving a speech. Maybe you are at a business meeting or at a wedding. And before you give your speech, you want to tell the audience about yourself. If you want to introduce yourself to somebody in a natural and friendly way, you can say this. "I don't believe we've met yet. I'm Randy. Nice to meet you." Of course, you can also say, "Hi, I'm Randy. Nice to meet you." These are much more natural. You really do not need to say, "Let me introduce myself," in most situations. The next situation we're going to look at is when students tell someone their nickname without telling them their full name. Something like this. "You can call me Joe." Or, "Hi, call me Ken." There are a couple of reasons why this is not good. Why can't you tell the person your real name? It's a little strange when someone you have never met doesn't tell you their name, but instead tells you to call them by another name or nickname. Instead of saying this, there are a couple of different phrases that you can use. First, the most important thing is to tell the person your real name. After you tell them your real name, you can tell them your nickname. Try to use something like this. "Hi, I'm Tomoko. You can call me Tomo." Or, "Hi, I'm Tomoko. Everyone calls me Tomo." These phrases are much more natural. Remember, tell someone your name first. Then you can tell them your nickname. Today, we looked at the phrase, "Let me introduce myself." This phrase is usually used before a speech, not when meeting someone for the first time. It is very formal. If you are meeting someone for the first time, try this. "I don't believe we've met. I'm Randy. Nice to meet you." Or, "Hi, I'm Randy. Nice to meet you." We also looked at the sentence, "You can call me Joe." This is a common mistake that many people make. When you meet someone for the first time, you should say your real name first. Then, after you say your real name, you can tell them your nickname. For example, like this. "Hi, I'm Tomoko. You can call me Tomo." That's it for today's short lesson. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more English speaking videos. Also, check out our Patreon page Your support helps us to continue to make new and better video lessons. Bye-bye.